Good morning, this is Gürol. Anthropic is announced Claude Design, a design tool for AI. I've already tested for 3 projects. Let's see what we've got. This is the main screen of Claude Design. You can choose different types. So prototype is a design for a software front-end or similar. Slide deck is for slides, or you can start from a template. What I have done is design a small website from a sketch like this. Okay, I made this. I only said, make it better. This is in Turkish, but it means make it better. That's all. So it started to work, ask some questions that I answered. I generally choose decide for me, so Claude Design is deciding for me. Anyway, in the end, it was Turkish, but I made another call for translate to English, and it is translated to English in the end. So this is Zodiac. This is what he has done. We have everything here about Zodiac. You can choose fire, earth, or water from here, or you can click and have some Aries or Leo, whatever you need. So I ask him to have some options for the color design. So plum, paper, or some fonts. Also font is choosable. What is better from others in this Claude Design is you can export a zip file including HTML or standalone HTML, PDF or PowerPoint or Canva. You can send to Canva. Let's see the others. So this is an animation. I also made a design like this and said him use Scotch. Actually this was a typo, but it understood that I want a Scotch tape is traveling to the moon, and it made this one. It's a Scotch tape. It's traveling to the moon. And it's again in HTML, so you can export any type, including HTML here, which is better than Google Stitch, right? The last one is slide deck. I want him to make a slide deck for investors. So I made this. These are the facts that I want in slide deck for investors. So it made this. Velo was the name that I gave. These are the functions that I want. And also we have some options for the design for the font as well. So it's a 14 pages. We can export this to PowerPoint. So this is a quick demo for Claude Design, what we can do with it. The best part is you can import HTML file. That's all for now. See you.